I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the materials. Now start by preparing the pattern and cutting precisely. First, double-check measurements against a muslin. If correct, transfer markings with chalk. Once aligned on grain, pin pattern pieces snugly and cut with sharp shears, keeping seam allowances consistent. Make notches and label each piece, because later assembly depends on those marks. As you cut, press interfacing to collar and flap pieces so they're ready. This saves time during construction and ensures crisp edges. Start assembling the jacket by joining front panels to shoulders. Sew and press seams toward the back to reduce bulk. Next, set the sleeves using small easing stitches at the cap, matching notches to avoid puckers. Once sleeves are in, sew underarm through side seams in one smooth pass to maintain alignment. Meanwhile, build patch pockets, epaulettes, and belt loops separately and top stitch for strength, then attach them to marked positions. Make sure stitching lines are even because they define the safari aesthetic. Finish by attaching the collar, sewing hems, and installing the chosen closure, zipper or buttons, reinforcing stress areas with bar tacks. Once assembled, press the entire suit, clip curves, and understitch facing so edges sit flat and professional. Try the suit on and evaluate ease and sleeve length. If something is off, adjust side seams or shoulder darts by 1 to 2 centimeters and repress. Troubleshooting tip. If puckering appears on sleeve heads, ease slightly more and baste before final stitching to smooth fabric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.